let's talk about Ajo Chi. Igbo si na onye nwe Ajo Chi na ngodu mmiri, even water will get wedged between his teeth. Ajo Chi eminlo na Chigi the bad, na inwe a terrorist Chi. You are the author of your fate. You are your Chi, a spirit wearing a human skin. You are your Chi. So how can you blame some external agent for your fortunes, for your lack of even hope, right? Even say in the periphery, say if I had the law, maybe say the practice your gratitude, or you can't just stay in a state of everything is shit. Ajo Chi is that you, with the authority vested upon you as your Chi, go and accumulate bad energies, things that spoil your aura. Ejeziana afa, asige na afo, Akogholi, afo, Orakwu, afo, Ulu, Uchu. Or the most common one, Ogbanje. Why? These are Ajo Chi, low energies. They are there to ruin you because you let them come into your space. You were not conscious and you let them come into your space. Because a person who dwells in low energy will give out low negative sonar vibes, energy, and attract other empty or directionless beings. A toxic person cannot attract a conscious, holistic person. If they were able to attract you, check yourself first, look at yourself first, and ask yourself, like, why were you susceptible? Why were you available to the lure of that low energy being? And take responsibility. That's how you get better. Not every time my ex, a narcissist, my ex, toxic. It takes two to tango. Ultimately, you are going to attract what you signal to the universe that you are accepting, what you are available to. And because you shit low energy Akogholi vibes, or the more accepted, even people even love it and boast about it, the more accepted lack of accountability Ogbanje vibes, right? Because you emit those people around you, what will happen is that people around you will get heated. Obele and Obayala de Ozo Afiaba around you. And when people get heated, people will start to threaten you with bottle, or they threaten people around you with bottle, or with knife, or with guns. And you don't know where that can go to, because person where they play with fit no they play with you. So personally, I see that adage, that Igbo adage that I mentioned at the beginning, I see it as a call to consciousness, which is pretty much what a lot of Igbo spirituality is about. Spirituality is an avenue to consciousness, is what something I like saying recently. And a lot of Igbo practices, a salachi, which is go to your spirituality, is like calls to consciousness. So that Igbo adage is like, remove Ajo Chi from yourself and remove Ndi Ajo Chi. Remove Ajo Chi practices, as you can see in this chart that I'll put here now, and Ndi Ajo Chi from your circle, so that water ain't finna get wedged in your teeth. Kamili lapo ifanya gineze. Obolo ni dedicate your to good energies and ride the wave of negative energies where go naturally come to challenge you to make you better. You know what I'm saying? With a positive attitude, say whatever is happening in a positive attitude. Even when you go to hellfire, you get a positive attitude. Even when you go for prison, you get a positive attitude. Even when shit they go down, you get a positive attitude. Fam, Chi Oma. So one last thing, remember that I offer consultation calls. So if you feel there is something that could be gained from anyone one-on-one, having a session together, speaking one-on-one, hit me up, book a session with me, and let's set a time and talk and hash out, maybe help you through the start of your journey or through a bump in it or something. Yeah. So let's get on the call and work something out.